Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we talk about different topics related to science, technology, and everyday life. In this video, we are going to talk about the difference between gasoline and petrol. You may have heard these two terms used interchangeably, but they are actually different. So let's dive in and explore the differences. What is gasoline? Gasoline is a type of fuel that is commonly used to power vehicles, motorcycles, and other types of engines. It is a liquid fuel that is made from crude oil through a refining process. Gasoline is also known as petrol or gas, depending on the region. What is petrol? Petrol is the British English term for gasoline. The word petrol is derived from the Greek word petra, which means rock, and the Latin word oleum, which means oil. Petrol is also a liquid fuel that is made from crude oil through a refining process, just like gasoline. What are the differences? The main difference between gasoline and petrol is the name. Gasoline is the term used in the United States and Canada, while petrol is used in other parts of the world, especially in the United Kingdom and Commonwealth countries. However, there are some other differences worth noting. Octane rating. One of the main differences between gasoline and petrol is their octane rating. Octane rating is a measure of a fuel's ability to resist knocking or pinging during combustion, caused by the air-fuel mixture detonating prematurely in the engine. In the United States and Canada, gasoline is typically rated by the anti-knock index, ANI, which is the average of the research octane number, RON, and the motor octane number, MON. On the other hand, in the UK and Europe, petrol is typically rated only by the RON. Color. Another difference between gasoline and petrol is the color. Gasoline is usually colorless or pale yellow, while petrol is usually light brown or beige. Additives. The composition of gasoline and petrol also differs in terms of additives. Gasoline in the US and Canada often contains ethanol, which is derived from corn and is added to increase octane levels and reduce carbon emissions. In contrast, petrol in the UK and Europe often contains biofuels, such as ethanol or biodiesel, which are added for similar reasons. Conclusion. So, to sum up, gasoline and petrol are two terms used for the same type of fuel that powers vehicles and other engines. The main difference between the two is the name, with gasoline being used in the US and Canada, and petrol being used in other parts of the world. Other differences include the octane rating, color, and additives used. Now you know the difference between gasoline and petrol. Outro. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.